So machine tried to drain for a while and it takes too long to get drained. So now you can see the error message come up, F02. So this error message is so that this machine had a problem with draining. It takes too long to drain the water inside. So that's why the error message come up. So I will go step by step how to open the front loader of the machine to clean out the pump inside the machine. Okay, just follow me. You guys see that one, right? This is the water still in the drum. So that's why I always come with the F2 error. Okay, so this is Maytag's washer machine. Okay, before you open the panel, make sure to clean the water inside out. You see a lot of water here, and make sure to turn the water well up. Shut off the water. Okay, shut off the water and unplug power from the water machine. Okay. So the water inside, you can use a small cup to scoop it out, and then use the towel to dry it out. Now you scoop it, it's almost dry. Okay, and make sure to use the towel to dry it out, the drum, because otherwise the water will splash on your floor. So make sure the drum empty all the water, and in the bottom here you have to screw in the bottom. Let's see it right here. Yeah, this screw right here. Right here, the screw right here on the bottom of the panel. Both sides. In this side here, you can see there, and one more in this side right there. So you will have to unscrew it. Okay, so the front loader Maytag with F02 error. So now you unscrew 3 screws on the bottom, and you're easy to remove the cover. Okay, so the cover, you just put it down. Just put it down. Just put the cover down with the thing like this. Just put it down, and now you can easy to open it. So here's the pump. Here the pump. So this is the white thing. So you have to click this and get it out, bring it up. Okay, and this is wire. You can use the hammer to tap it. Tap it down. Okay, now you can open it, you see. Oh, you see the water leaking. Oh, see the water leaking. So make sure you have the towel on hand. Yeah, that's water. Yeah, you will see some water leaking down. So that's why I say make sure to dry the other water. So you see, open this. See the other one. See, it's very dirty. Right? See, two need there. You know, some stuff there is block the filter, block the water pump. So that's why the machine is not running really well. And always have the F02 or F2 functions arrow coming up with your machine. So this one we need to be clean, really clean. Okay, so make sure this is good clean. It's a little bit black there, but it's okay, you know, just as long as you see all the hole it goes through. And you see the one here, the one is on top here. You need to make sure it's on. When you put back, it has to be like this. Go on top and screw it. Nice screwdriver. Make sure it's tight. And like here before when you open it. And like that. That's it. When you put it back. After you clean up the filter, now you put back the water. Turn on the water. And plus back the power to test this out. Okay. So you can check again, everything tied up. And my recommends don't put the cover back yet. Just let the machine run without clothes inside. Just make it empty and try to run it to see any leaking. So I will try to test on the wrapper wash 35 minutes. Okay, and then just hold the start. Let's see. So water fill, look good. And see if the water is leaking. So make sure tie it up. So after the test, if you see no water leaking, everything looks good, and then just put back the cover. Okay. So everything great. Okay, I hope you enjoy it, and you can fix your washer machine by yourself when you see its display F02 or F2 function error. Okay, have a good day. If you like some video like this, just subscribe my channel. Bye bye.